I wish my daughter become very confident and independent in future.
Wish you all your dreams comes true. Thank you teachers for my child to do more better. Happy Children's Day. Thank you one and all.
Hello everyone. He is Krishna Chaitanya, my elder son.
Hello everybody.
He is a very nice boy. He is strong and playful throughout the day. He is very friendly and sensitive also. He smiles wholeheartedly. We all love Chaitu.
I wish her and bless her to fulfill her wishes. Thank you.
Hi ma'am, I am Bhuvaneshwari's mother. My dream about my daughter's future is I want to see her as an IAS officer. This is not only my dream and she want to become an IAS officer. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am proudly saying I am father of Nitya. She is a very humble, kind at heart and versatile child. She is very good in academics and she is an excellent performer in dance. She enjoys every moment of life and keeps everyone happy. We are very much blessed to have a child like Nitya and we are wishing you everyone a happy Children's Day. Enjoy the day. Keep rocking. Thank you.
Keep spending the time only. She want to become an astronaut. I wish her all the best to become an astronaut. I wish her dream come true. Wish you all the best to her.
Hi, I am the parent of Sriveda 30. She is very cute and kind nature with others. She determined. She is respected elders very well. She is socializing with everyone very fastly. Happy Children's Day all!
The most thing which I like about Vihan is very love and caring towards family. Thank you.
Hi all, today I am here to make a wish for my son Ganesh Karthik's future. I wish him to grow to be a good human being and lead a happy and contentful life. I wish I will be called and respected as Ganesh Karthik's mother.
This is plowing the garden. Land preparation for seed rowing. This is the way how we will plant the seeds. The plants. Thank you.
I want to wish Aishwarya saying that I always remember to accomplish all your dreams. I know you are brave. I know you are capable. I know you are pretty smart. I know you can excel in all the tasks in your life. All the best, Aishwarya.
Happy Children's Day. Well, I have no wishes to put pressure on Manasini. If she chooses to follow career path, I will of course be extremely proud of her. I simply just want my child to be happy and feel filled in the work that she does. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Sanya, mother of Prem and Sai. My son is my heart and soul, and I will do you anything for him, for his happiness, because he has my life. I love you, my son. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi everyone, I am Jayatri parent. You know Lasya, I think everybody knows Lasya. She is very energetic and full talkative and very naughty also. So, and she can understand everything and not only in studies, in house also. She helping me a lot. In this situation, she understand me and family and everything. So she knows everything now. So I'm proud to say my child is very good and I love my child.
My dream is to see her dreams come true. And once again, my heartful love to all of you. Happy Children's Day.
I wish my son's future to be full of health and happiness. and I'd like my son to spread smiles all over the world and make this world a better place to live. Thank you.
Respected teachers, I am father of Santola Yara Satwik. I wish to him he is a good and helpful person to society. As per my observation, he is good and fast learner. Thank you.
Hi, this is Rishi's father. Like every other child to their parents, Rishi is special to us too. He is well-mannered, disciplined, helps us do some stuff at home. Excited about learning new.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు సంతోషి. అడిగారు కదా వన్ విష్ ఫర్ మై చైల్డ్ ఫ్యూచర్ అని చెప్పేసి. నాది ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళు ఏం కోరుకుంటారో అవన్నీ నేను ఇవ్వగలగాలని, అండ్ నేను ఎంత ప్రేమ అభిమానం వాళ్ళకి ఇస్తున్నానో ఈ ప్రేమ అభిమానం ఎప్పుడు కూడా వాళ్ళ పట్ల అలాగే ఉండాలి, అండ్ వాళ్ళు కూడా నాకు అంత ప్రేమను ఎప్పటికీ అందించాలని చెప్పి కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
He was very creative. He is very creative child. He think on there only. He is very creative child, and he will be helpful to me regarding in household works. And when I am in ill, he was very helpful to me. Thank you for your giving support. Once again, happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Colorful of lights.
తను ఎలాగంటే ఇప్పుడు టీచర్స్ చెప్పారు అంటే అది చేయాలి మనం అనే విష్ నాకు చాలా బాగా నచ్చింది. వెదర్ రేపు ఫ్యూచర్లో తను ఏమవుతుంది ఏంటి ఇట్లాంటివన్నీ నేను అసలు ఇప్పుడు ఆలోచన కూడా తీసుకోను. ఎందుకంటే ఎవరి టాలెంట్ ప్రకారం వాళ్ళు పెద్ద అయినాక అవుతారు. ఇప్పుడు అందరూ ఎవరి టాలెంట్ ప్రకారం వాళ్ళు చదివింది ఒకటైతే చేసే జాబ్స్ వేరుగా అలా మనం చూస్తూనే ఉన్నాము.
Wish you all happy Children's Day. We want Manas to be a wonderful human being, and he should help society with his wonderful thoughts in future. Thank you.
Nivedita, Siddhartha's mother. A very big hi to all of you. Hope everybody is doing great. One wish that I would ask God is whatever field he wants to go by achieving those goals, at the time he may face some troubles or hurdles, I won't want him to quit and bounce back with double speed and be like a champion.
నా పేరు శిరీష, సుష్విత్ వాళ్ళ మదర్ని. హౌ స్పెషల్ మై చైల్డ్. సుష్విత్కి చాలా మానవత్వం ఎక్కువ. తన దగ్గర ఉన్నా లేకున్నా కానీ పక్కన వాళ్ళకి సహాయం చేయాలి అనే ఆలోచన ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. అది మేము చాలా గర్వపడతాము. అందరిలో మంచి పేరు తెచ్చిపెట్టింది.
Hello all, my name is Raghav, parent of Durga Bhavani. Here I would like to share some updates from her side during this pandemic. She learnt some decent drawings and art. Earlier she was a bit hesitant to do such works. Now she is doing her own without others' help. So one thing I can say in this regard is, with your own interest you can achieve whatever you want. Thank you.
My children, happy Children's Day, Nana. God bless you. On this day, I would like to share a small suggestion, and I wanted to tell you how special you are. First thing is, be nice to everyone and keep smiling always, and focus on your studies, your passion, everything, Nana. I'll be with you. All the best, Nana.
And I wish her to become a good and famous painter, and all the best on this. Thanks.
I am Vasist's father. Vasist is a smart kid. He is a quick learner and has very good grasping power. He is a very good singer. I wish him all the best for his future. Thank you.
My son Ashik should have the strength and the courage to fight with the battles and the struggles that occur in his life, along with the wisdom. Just go ahead with your adventures, but stop for someone who needs your help. Finally, let your smile change the world, but not the world change your smile.
I wish her all the best in her future. As we also thank you, Geetanjali, for the good encouragement in her growing natural way. No race, all peaceful improvement.
Hello everyone, this is Anusha, Akshit's mother. My wish for my child is whatever he aspires to become in the future, he reaches his goal and be in the heights in his field. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Preeti Darga, mother of Samad and Vanshika Darga. One wish for my child for future is that they should be successful in their life. But rather than that, I also want them to be a good person with all the good qualities and knowledge. I wish them a very bright future ahead. Happy Children's Day, my cute little kiddos. Happy Children's Day to all of you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm mother of Chavez, and a wish for the future of my child is that he reaches great heights in his life, and hope his feet take him where his heart wants to go. Thanks.
My wish to my child is I want to see him a big, great doctor in the society. He also loves to become a doctor. May all his dreams come true, and as a mother, I will give him the best education and the best behavior. Love you, Bangaram. Thank you.